Unfortunately, many students master the finer points of English grammar, but end up finding themselves at a loss when it actually comes to having a conversation with a native speaker. In reality, the only way to develop fluency in any language is through listening and speaking. The following are a few tips for improving your English speaking skills. Number 1. Speak, speak, speak. I can't emphasize enough on this. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill. Like learning a musical instrument or a new sport, the only way you can get good at it is to actually do it. Number 2. Read aloud. Read the newspaper or a magazine out loud to yourself. You can even find a script from your favorite TV shows and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation, as you can concentrate on how your English sounds without worrying about sentence structure or grammar. Number 3. Record your practice conversations. After a conversation is over, take a moment to reflect and evaluate how it went, how much you think you understood, how comfortable you felt with the subject matter. Did you encounter any unknown words? The mere act of thinking about it in this way will increase your confidence the next time you speak and give you targeted things to work on, such as vocabulary you didn't understand. Number 4. Find an English-speaking conversation partner. It's important to find a partner to practice with. Ideally, a native English speaker. If you live around English speakers, try incorporating informal conversations into your daily life. If that isn't an option, consider hiring a private tutor you can meet online via tools like Skype or Google Hangouts. Number 5. Don't forget to use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. It can help you find reading materials, converse with tutors, or even record yourself speaking. And last but not least, observation and practice is a prerequisite.